racing as they start out. All 6 runners bounces away as one. We have quick play, very quickly at the start, moving upon the outside for the double Ella. Pound for pound, courthouse die will be done while Bravely Bold is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have quick play for its favorite position as the pacemaker by about half length. Moving upon the outside for Double Ella, 4 lengths back. In third comes Pound for Pound. Courthouse comes next, die will be done, and a long way back to Bravely Bold, who's in behind them, half-mile distance. They travel, we have Formidable Ella, moves up by about 2. Quick play in second, Pound for Pound is down in third. Moving upon the inside, Courthouse, and on the outside comes die will be done, and a mile back to entry number 2, and this one is Bravely Bold. And at the far turn, we have Formidable Ella, maintaining a lane, and he half lead, moving upon the outside, Pound for Pound, then followed over by die will be done, Courthouse, and a long way back to Bravely Bold, who's still in behind them as they swing for room. We have Formidable Ella, Courthouse in the middle, running by the rail, quick play, Pound for Pound is on the outside with about 100 meters of the race. We have Formidable Ella, Pound for Pound is on the outside, Formidable Ella, Pound for Pound, and finally Formidable Ella, Pound for Pound. Quick play, then comes Courthouse, die will be done, and Bravely Bold.